2 decades ago, there was a boy. His name was Raju. His legs were crippled. He thought, I am not like others. My handicap has imposed a big limit on me. He did not challenge his limit. Rather, he accepted it. Instead of doing any work, he started begging. Every day, he sat in front of a temple and implored the devotees for alms. Some snubbed him, some ignored, while a few put some coins in his bowl. He had accepted it as his fate. One day, a blind man came there. Raju thought that he would also start begging. But his assumption was wrong. The blind man set up a stall there. He started selling prasad. He knew the denomination of the notes by feeling, handed over the packets of prasad according to their rates and deducted the amount exactly, retuning the remaining money without any mistake. Raju felt ashamed. He saw that the blind man was doing the task that only a person with eyes could do. He had challenged his limit. It changed Raju's mind. He decided to give up begging at the very moment. He thought that if the blind man could do the work of eyes with hands, he could also do the work of legs with hands. He bought a rickshaw which could be pedaled with hands and started ferrying the devotees from bus stand to temple and from temple to bus stand. He worked hard. Soon he earned enough to buy any rickshaw. One after another, he bought several rickshaws and gave them on rent. His income increased very fast and he became a very wealthy man. He got a big dharmashala constructed in the same city which rents out the rooms to devotees at very cheap rates. Even the devotees who used to give Raju alms now stay in it. No hotel in the city can compete with it in the matter of economy and comfort. Raju feels proud when he hears people saying, please, get us a room in the beggar's dharmashala.